my channel. I am Anushka and you all know I have started a new YouTube channel, so do support me and do subscribe my channel. I would like to tell you that I have opted science stream for my class 11 as I have taken PCB. Do like it and do subscribe. Enjoy the video. Bye. Starting with the wall, first of all I am going to remove these pamphlets and इनकी जगह पे we are going to place new pamphlets. So guys, I am done with setting up the new books and like I personally do not have like many stuffs, fancy stuffs. I don't have like that, but soon I'm going to order it from Amazon. So whenever I'm going to order them, like I'm going to create a whole haul for that. But I would like to tell you guys one more thing, like I also added this small super cute plant over there. Because you know, whenever I'll study and whenever I'll look at this plant while studying, this will give me positive vibes. You know, like I love plants. And the status is that like this wall is all empty and I don't want to feel bored at all during my study time. So I'm going to decorate this wall with some positive quotes and all. Like I have these papers and I'm not wasting papers. Like let me just show you. Like I have used this side and back side is all blank, so I can use this and then I can stick this side like this. So yeah, I'm not wasting the paper at all. Like I'm going to show you many things. Like this paper is also used, but the back side is free. I am thinking to take a printout of some of the stuffs from Pinterest. I am just going to design these papers by myself only. Let's just calligraphy on these papers. So guys, I just totally forgot to record whatever I was preparing at the moment. I prepared two things by my own. I don't know, like I'm not too good at crafting and at doing such things. The first two pamphlets that I have prepared are these. A pretty motivational, something like this. Neat. So it is for like, and it also have one quote that is like believe in you and in God. Like guys, right now I am going to get the printouts, so let's go. So guys, I am finally home and here are my printouts and let me show you one by one what. So dreamy and you know, very aesthetic vibes, everything they give. Now it's time to paste them. Here are all the printouts and here we have to paste them.